Jamaica, watch
as
this.
$100. In 2022, the police said contract killers in Jamaica were charging as little as that to carry out murders. It's murder for hire, a phenomenon that has been linked to criminal players. But last year, a majority of such cases for the Clarendon police stemmed from interpersonal relations that ended with clashes. People paying to kill people who they're familiar with.
Whether between two business people, whether between two community members. You understand? So again, interpersonal is a root on most of these issues. But this is a big concern, and it's something that we are very much on top of, and we aggressively deal with it once it comes to our attention, and our intelligence plays a critical role in that. A business contract, right? This is where persons do murder for hire. So somebody pays somebody money to take a life of somebody else.
For the Clarendon crime fighters, another focus in 2025 was threat to life, something that will need increased attention throughout 2026.
So receive information that Tom is planning to kill Mary Jane. No, it has not happened as yet. We might not have the evidence at the time, however, we have the intelligence. So we put some proactive strategies in place to mitigate. So we'll continue to do that for 2026.